Let's do the intro outside. Let's do the intro. We are going to do the intro outside. Come on. We are hosting a very special Dom Perignon champagne evening. The flavour profile, the change over time in bottles is amazing. So I'm really excited to have them here. If you are out at a restaurant, you wouldn't have a flight of all of their vintage at the same time. But this is the time where you can do that, and you've got two amazing people that work with the brand that can explain more about it and spend their time with you. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Let's do it. Come on.
We feel really lucky to be working with Liam. I mean, he loves the champagne. My colleague and I, Ollie, we're making our way through the course as well, but I think you're in for a real treat in terms of the pairings he's done. We're going to start with the Vintage Magnum 2012.
This is a poached dressed porphyry rock oyster with chower and mushi on the base. Got some peas and some white currants, a little bit of jalapeno, some fresh herbs.
So this is your fish course this evening. So we've got a roasted halibut, courgettes, so there's a courgette puree, and you've got some baby courgettes from our garden. We've got a tempura mussel, courgette flour that was stuffed with a mussel mousse. Romesco puree, which is like a roasted red pepper puree. And this just finished with a shellfish bisque.
When you try the Plenitude 2004, even though it is the oldest champagne we'll taste, it's the freshest.
I think of it like a ball. In the middle, all the freshness stays, but round the edge you get this maturity.
Wow.
That's the magic of the way they age it for that extra 8 to 10 years. I won't interrupt your food, guys. Enjoy, and if you need anything, you know where we are.
Busted!
The older the vintage, it gets more toasted, deeper notes, which kind of could help pair with the halibut course we have, or the Poussin course we have as well.
Stuffed it with chicken mousse, some girol trim in there, chives, tarragon, poached, and then just roasted it off to crisp up the skin.
Enjoying yourselves? Think so?
Honestly, sensational.
Good. Coming to the end. Slowing down a little bit now. Last few main courses to go. It's really nice and lovely environment. The wine's stunning. Good. Guests happy.
To finish, you'll end on your Rosé 2009.
Tom, and with this honey, you can say this is a 2024 vintage.
Why?
I thought we harvested in 2024.
This is the final dessert. So we've got Amalfi lemon parfait with gooseberry jam, so fresh gooseberry, lemon cake soaked in lemon juice and honey. All the honey elements in there from our bees and garden.
I think it's probably the only time we'll be drinking Dom Perignon in Magnum on the pass, but good night, mate. Nice one.
Cheers.